exercising one of the pillars of lean, that is care for your people, invest in your people. Everybody knows each other, they're supporting each other. The aspect of this conference where you see collaboration and caring for each other is beyond what I see at most conferences I get to attend.
The main highlight that really stood out for me at the conference was the importance of culture. Without culture, I don't think you can implement lean, because culture is the most important thing in the organization. With culture, you can conquer the world.
The tour was really interesting. They showed things that they do, how they implement lean techniques, how they empower the employees to do the same, right? So the level of engagement, you can talk about that forever, but you really need to see that happening in real life to understand, wow, it is really working. So by going on the tours, you can actually see how lean working in real life, how the tools are implemented, and how actually everything can be improved.
Companies should attend for a number of reasons. One is that when they start talking to people in the networking part, not just at the classrooms, when they're talking to people at lunch or in between breaks, they start talking about the issues of what's happening, and they realize that they're not alone, that the issues and concerns that they have are not just theirs. And I think that's really the power of coming to an event like this, is that networking.
You already have a support structure in place if you send more people, and you can bounce ideas off and stuff like that. You have the ability to kind of network off each other, and we do a debrief, and we had our notes and we would go over it. That was the first thing we did before we went for supper. Then you're sharing the knowledge and you're building it up. Having that group or that team, you get more benefit from that than if you just send one or two.
How do we give them the tools and the training to get better every single day? This forum is an opportunity to hit on a number of those points. For employees that are curious about learning more, that they're invested in their development, this is a perfect opportunity, and it will always, always pay off when you do that.